Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about data tabs in Slurpi't. So this is another feature of the Slurpi't plugin in NetBox, and basically it allows you to get live data from your networking device. So using the Slurpi't plugin, you go to Settings, and in the second tab, there is something called Data Tabs. You're going to click on this, and normally you should see some basically plannings here, but if you don't, click on sync, and as you saw, all the plannings appear here. So the idea is that we're going to run these plannings against our device, and we are going to get live data from the device and put it inside a table or basically something visual that we can see inside NetBox. So I am going to select all and save it, and it is now saved. So I will go to my devices. Here, click on R1. And since I've already basically saved all of the plannings in data tabs, you see that the Slurpi't tab is showing here. So I'm going to click on this. And I am going to select one of the plannings, for example, writing table, and click on open. I am able to see some information here because I have some tasks scheduled in my Slurpi't. So here I have some tasks planning scheduled that would run based on an interval, and as a result I can get the output inside NetBox. If you don't have any tasks scheduled, then you're not going to see anything. Either you have to run the task manually or again schedule a task. Writing table is showing, and for example, let's go to interfaces, open. We see some interface information. This is the active IP address. I can also go to maybe ARP, and we have some ARP entries as well in data tabs. So pretty simple to use. There is nothing more to it. Data tabs will allow you to run some tests against your device and get the live results in NetBox, which is pretty handy. And if any changes happen in your network regarding your device, then you are going to see it inside NetBox as well. So that wraps up this particular video. I will see you in the next one.